More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. And in my videos, what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. The videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos. Just subscribe to the channel and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. The Molding a Man clothing line is for that man who is the one. A father that puts in life-sustaining effort to mold, coach with unselfish time to create a family legacy. The dad that continues to give endless time and energy to build a loving and nurturing family environment to produce a family with lifelong future prosperity. So continue to watch and you'll see the pop-up shop that I still conduct. This is my week 3 for the pop-up shop. One more week and then I'm gonna shut it down, but hopefully you'll see something interesting and maybe you'll like it. All right, ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Okay, so what we're doing is another week 3 of the pop-up shop for Molding a Man clothing brand with 3 clothing lines. We have the Dad Forever clothing line. We also have the Father for Life clothing line, along with, and not least, the Molding a Man clothing line, which is the brand Molding a Man, all geared towards helping fathers get the recognition that they deserve. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. I'm the author of the book Molding a Man. I'm interrupting this video to bring you some updated information. I'm proud of the book and what it has to say, so I'm going to be talking to some incredible people. They're educators, professionals, and parents who will bring a unique perspective on each topic within the book, so you won't want to miss these upcoming videos. But in order to bring you that content, so tell a friend who's a parent that'll benefit from this invaluable information. Now back to the video. Okay, so this is the 3rd week, a week before the Christmas holidays, at the McGuire Fort Dix Exchange. So, doing the pop-up shop for Molding a Man. Okay. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
It's nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man,